Hey, welcome back again. Right, welcome to the channel. We basically do our tractors in our spare time as much as we can. Right, this is the old Dexter, and it needs a new. It was a bit shoddy, isn't it? Eh? You put that on there. It needs a new battery lead because it's heating up and it's yeah.
Undo that.
So basically, we're going to undo that and put a new battery lead on there. So we're getting a 30mm spanner. I've got some new nuts and bolts to go on there as well. We'll get that off. And the jobs are good. Nothing wrong with that. It's not a bad tractor really, looking at it. That's a good job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good job there, mate.
I've got to go on the shed, I've got 13.
I've done a good job, mate. Okay, as you can see, whoa, there we are. Battery cable's intact now. See, we put a new one on. Just cut the end down, put another one on, and there you go. Job's so good. That is going to tighten up. That does look pretty smart now. To be fair, hopefully that's got good contact. Just go straight on down there. There you go. It's all tight. Done. Job done. Yeah, excellent. Well, thanks again for watching. See you again on the next one.